For years, home defense debates kept circling the same three choices: shotgun, AR-15, or handgun. But in 2026, 9mm PCCs are forcing serious buyers to rethink that setup. They are not the most powerful option, and they are not as compact as a pistol. Their advantage is different. A good 9mm PCC gives you more stability than a handgun, softer recoil than many rifles, easier optic and light mounting, and a platform most people can shoot with more confidence. This countdown is not about range toys or tactical fashion. It is about 5 9mm pistol caliber carbines that actually make sense inside a home, where reliability, control, compactness, and simple handling matter most. Number 5. Ruger PC Carbine. This is the practical workhorse of the list, and that is exactly why it still belongs in a home defense conversation in 2026. The Ruger PC Carbine does not try to look futuristic or compete with premium subgun-style platforms. It wins by being simple, sturdy, familiar, and easy to trust. The biggest advantage is logistics. Out of the box, the PC Carbine can be set up to accept Ruger magazines. But the real selling point for many buyers is the included Glock magazine well insert. That means a homeowner who already owns a Glock pistol can simplify magazines, ammunition, and range practice around one common 9mm ecosystem. For a defensive setup, that kind of simplicity matters. The gun also has enough weight to work in its favor. It is not the lightest PCC here, but that extra mass helps soak up recoil and keeps the gun stable. Combined with Ruger's dead blow style bolt system, it feels softer and more controlled than a basic blowback carbine might suggest. For a homeowner who wants something easier to shoot than a handgun, that is a real advantage. Its takedown system also adds practical value. The barrel and forend can separate quickly from the receiver, which makes storage and transport easier than a traditional fixed carbine. Add a red dot, a white light, and reliable defensive ammunition, and the Ruger becomes a very straightforward home defense tool. The trade-off is size. With a 16-inch barrel and a heavier traditional layout, it is not as compact or maneuverable as the braced or folding PDW-style guns higher on this list. It can feel long in tight hallways, and it lacks the modern delayed action smoothness of the best premium PCCs. That is why it lands at number 5. It is not the most advanced 9mm PCC in 2026, but for a practical buyer who wants reliability, magazine flexibility, and a lower friction ownership experience, the Ruger PC Carbine still makes a lot of sense. Number 4. B&T APC9 Pro. This is the duty-grade benchmark of the list. The APC9 Pro is not here because it is the most affordable choice, or because every homeowner needs a Swiss-made premium PCC. It is here because it shows what a serious 9mm defensive carbine looks like when reliability, build quality, and recoil control are treated as non-negotiable. The key advantage is how refined the operating system feels. The APC9 Pro uses a direct blowback action, but it is not a crude blowback gun. B&T's hydraulic buffer smooths out the rearward movement of the bolt, reducing the harsh, choppy impulse that many basic 9mm carbines have. For the shooter, that means the gun tracks flatter, returns to target more predictably, and feels easier to control during repeated fire. That matters for home defense because a PCC has to be more than reliable on paper. It has to be easy to manage when the shooter is under pressure. The APC9 Pro gives you a compact layout, excellent machining, strong controls, and the kind of durability expected from a platform built for professional use. It also has another major strength: magazine flexibility. Depending on the lower receiver, the APC9 Pro can be configured around B and T magazines, Glock magazines, or SIGP 320 magazines, which gives buyers a way to match the carbine to an existing handgun ecosystem. The trade-off is obvious. This is a premium platform with a premium price. For many homeowners, the cost alone pushes it out of reach, especially after adding a red dot, light, extra magazines, and other setup costs. And because it is still a blowback-based system, suppressed shooting may not be as naturally clean as a true delayed system. That is why it lands at number 4. The APC9 Pro is outstanding, durable, and extremely refined, but it is not the best value for most buyers. Still, if your budget allows it, and you want a serious duty-grade 9mm PCC for home defense, this is one of the safest high-end choices on the market. Number 3. Smith & Wesson M&P FPC. This is the smart storage choice on the list, and for home defense, storage is not a small detail. A defensive firearm has to be accessible to the right person, secured from the wrong people, and practical enough that the owner can actually stage it responsibly. That is where the M&P FPC separates itself. The folding design is the big story. Instead of folding the stock or brace, the barrel and forend fold horizontally to the side, bringing the carbine down to a much shorter storage length while keeping the optic mounted on the receiver rail. That matters because a red dot should not lose 0 every time the gun is stored or deployed. For a homeowner working around safes, closets, vehicles, or tight storage spaces, that design has real value. The FPC also makes sense logistically. It uses Smith & Wesson M&P magazines, and the stock can store spare magazines on board. That means when the gun is grabbed, extra ammunition is already part of the system, instead of being something the owner has to remember separately. In a home defense setup, fewer loose pieces usually means fewer mistakes. On the range, the FPC is still a direct blowback 9mm carbine, but Smith & Wesson's buffer approach helps keep it more controlled than a basic budget PCC. The 16.25-inch barrel gives the 9mm cartridge more velocity than a handgun and keeps the gun outside short-barreled rifle complications, which is a practical advantage for many buyers. The trade-off is that once the FPC is unfolded, it is still a full-length carbine. It stores small, but it does not handle as compactly as the shorter PDW-style options above it. That matters in hallways, around door frames, and in tight rooms. That is why it lands at number 3. It may not be the most tactical-looking PCC here, but for homeowners who care about safe storage, simple deployment, magazine utility, and strong value, the M&P FPC is one of the smartest 9mm PCCs to consider in 2026. Number 2. Sig Sauer MPX K. This is the premium AR style option on the list, and that is why it ranks so high for serious home defense buyers in 2026. The MPX K feels familiar to anyone who already understands an AR-style manual of arms, but it is built around a compact 9mm platform that is far easier to control indoors than a full-size rifle. The biggest strength is the operating system. Instead of using a basic direct blowback design, the MPX K runs a short-stroke gas piston system with a locked breech. In plain terms, that means the gun cycles more smoothly, runs cleaner, and feels more refined than many traditional 9mm carbines. For the shooter, the payoff is fast control. The gun stays flat, the sight picture comes back quickly, and the recoil impulse feels more like a premium defensive platform than a budget PCC. The compact size also matters. With a short barrel and folding brace or stock options depending on configuration, the MPX K is built for tight spaces. It is the kind of platform that makes sense when the goal is not maximum barrel length, but fast handling, stability, and confident control in a home environment. Add a red dot, a white light, and quality defensive ammunition, and the MPX K becomes one of the most capable 9mm PCC style setups available. Ergonomics are another major reason it belongs here. The controls are familiar, the magazine well is easy to work with, and the trigger quality is far above what many PCC buyers expect. That gives the MPX K a very low learning curve for anyone already comfortable with modern rifle controls. The trade-off is cost and complexity. This is not a cheap platform, and if the buyer plans to run it suppressed, the gas system can require more attention than a simple blowback gun. Back pressure, gas blowback, cleaning, and suppressor choice all matter more here than they do on a simpler setup. That is why the MPX K lands at number 2. It is premium, compact, fast, and extremely refined, but it asks the buyer to pay for that performance. The number 1 pick wins because it brings modern recoil control and suppressor-friendly performance at a value point that changes the entire 2026 PCC conversation. Number 1. Springfield Armory Kuna. This is the 2026 disruptor, and it takes the top spot because it hits the home defense PCC formula better than anything else on this list. The Kuna is compact, modern, soft shooting, suppressor ready, and priced in a way that makes advanced PCC performance feel much more reachable. The key is its roller-delayed operating system. Instead of using a heavy direct blowback bolt that slams back and forth, the Kuna delays the action just long enough to smooth out the recoil impulse. For a home defense PCC, that matters immediately. Less disruption means the red dot stays easier to track, follow-up shots feel more controlled, and the shooter has a better chance of staying visually connected to what is happening. The size is another major reason it wins. With a 6-inch barrel and a folding brace configuration, the Kuna stays short enough to make sense indoors without feeling like a toy. It can be stored compactly, moved more naturally through tight spaces, and still gives the shooter the stability advantage that makes a PCC so appealing over a handgun. That balance is exactly what many homeowners are looking for in 2026. It also checks the modern setup boxes. You get rail space for an optic, M-lock support for a light, ambidextrous controls, a reversible charging handle, and a threaded barrel for suppressor use. That means the platform is not just a bare carbine. It is ready to become a complete home defense system without forcing the buyer into a long list of expensive fixes. The trade-off is that the Kuna is still newer than names like Ruger, Sig, or B&T. Buyers should pay attention to magazine availability, updated magazine designs, and long-term parts support. A newer platform has to prove itself over time, in a way older platforms already have. But based on the balance of size, recoil control, suppressor readiness, ergonomics, and value, the Kuna earns number 1. It gives homeowners the advanced feel of a premium PCC without the same premium barrier. And in 2026, that combination is exactly why it stands out as the best 9mm PCC for home defense on this list. That is what separates the best 9mm PCCs from the rest in 2026. They are not just fun-range guns with cheap ammo. The right PCC can give a homeowner more stability than a handgun, softer control than a rifle, easier optic and light mounting, and a platform that is much easier to shoot under stress. The Ruger PC Carbine is the dependable workhorse. The B&T APC9 Pro is the duty-grade premium option. The Smith & Wesson M&P FPC solves the storage problem. The Sig Sauer MPX K gives you elite AR-style handling. But the Springfield Armory Kuna takes the top spot because it brings compact size, roller-delayed recoil control, suppressor readiness, and real value into one modern package. So if you were setting up one 9mm PCC for home defense in 2026, which one would you trust first?